My name is Deshaun Ivy. I'm a finance major with a minor in economics. Finance is what the world runs on. I'm very into helping others because I come from a community where a lot of people do not have. So in the future, I want to be able to help them to get the resources that they need. At Widener, I've been getting ready for my career by doing it in the lab and at my internship. I'm not just a regular student, but I'm also able to grow as a leader. Within the Student Government Associations, I'm the chair of the Finance Committee. So some of the things I do in the Finance Lab is researching, looking into different sectors of the industry, looking at tickers, we're looking at charts, we're looking at news articles, anything that's going on in the media to give me that hands-on opportunity and experience. This summer I had the pleasure to intern at Common Fund. It's an asset management firm who manages institutional investors. I was able to pick up concepts and work on assignments very quickly. What made me choose Widener is the one-on-one interactions that I'm able to get with my professors. They provide you with everything that you need in order to succeed. Faculty have given me great advice, personal advice, how to become a better leader on the campus, how to become a professional in the future. My advisor, who also worked in the industry, pushes me to do better. He allows me to attend conferences with him. He puts me in contact with different professionals and really looks out for me. If you want to come out of your comfort zone, if you want to grow, if you want to succeed, I think Widener is the best choice for you. When I graduate, I won't just be starting my career. I will be continuing the work that I've been doing all along.